Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and today I'm going to open the Papierre letter writing paper subscription pack of October. Now, you may hear it in my voice, but sadly I am still sick. Luckily I do have today off, contrary to what I believed when I filmed the Friday video. I did get today off, luckily, but I did work yesterday and the day before and the day before that, so I'm not really feeling great, but this video shouldn't be too long and it should be okay for me to film. I'm going to take you through the Papierre pack of October. I have not seen any spoilers, I have not opened it yet. As you can see, it's still closed. So I'm going to discover what is in here together with you guys, if you're watching this video. Before I start, I do want to tell you guys, of course, full transparency, that I do receive the Papierre pack for free. I started off as a paying customer, but my videos directed a lot of people towards Papierre, so they decided to send it to me for free for as long as it remains successful, which is kind of how the Paper Gang and Pipsticks also used to work with their referral links. But I do not get paid to make these videos, and all opinions are, as always, my own. That is very, very important to me. If I like a design, I will tell you guys. If I do not like it, I will also tell you guys. But yeah, I do want to put that in the video. I'm not sure if if I legally have to put it in the video, but I also like to put it in just for transparency sake. Every month Papierre has 6 different designs, and I get the 24 sheet pack, which means I get 4 of each design, and then they also send me the envelopes, which I think is very, very fun. I can see there's a little bit of a winter theme going on, which is a little bit early for me because I just started my fall crafting. Here I've got my basket of fall crafting, but then again it also makes sense because in the last month's pack they included the fall designs, and then for International Mail you can never start too early, I guess, but if there's Christmas themed stuff in here, it is definitely too early. So we're gonna see what else is in here. They always include this little note. Let me make some space. Oh yeah, I was going to try this tea that was sent to me by Caitlin because I'm sick, and she told me that this would be good. And it says warming and fruity, which is definitely good. But then, I don't know, I kind of craved coffee, so I will drink this later, Caitlin, thank you. And then I don't want to spoil too much, but we've obviously already seen the first design, which is wintry. A wintry design. It is very cute. It has a little penguin here with a bow tie. I do have to say I like it a lot, but my mind is not with winter yet. Like, I'm trying to hold on to summer for as long as I possibly can. So I noticed that my camera was a little bit off, so we're changing the setting here, but I completely lost my train of thought. I was saying that I was holding on to summer, so I'm not really in the winter mood yet. But then again, you can never start collecting too early. So I'm just going to put this aside for now. Hey, did I get more envelopes? I got more envelopes! I was already thinking that the package was fatter than usual, but they gave me 2 envelopes. That's so cute. Quite like that. Okay, let me see. But there is 4 pieces of letter writing paper, so then I can match 2 and 2. That's so cute. Usually they send me 1, which I still have like nearly all of them because I'm kind of a hoarder, but now I have 2, so I can use 1 and hoard 1. The envelope, of course, is very cute. It has the similar design and then the little bow design on the back, which is very, very cute. I do quite like that ombre look. That's really me. I mean, I don't know if this is called ombre, but that like dark to lighter. It looks very nice. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this one could be used for winter because of the colors, but it could also go at any time in the year, which I quite like. It's more, I don't know, I cannot talk because I'm sick. Don't get angry, please don't get angry at me if I'm rambling, because that just happens when I get sick. Okay, and then now I'm looking out of my window and I see one kid with a belt and a very long leash, and then another kid has the other end of the leash and is being pulled on a skateboard. Today is so random. But okay, we have this beautiful feather design. Quite like that. I love this icy blue color. It's quite, I mean, it's simple on the one hand, but also quite pretty on the other hand. So that is good. And again, 2 envelopes, which is nice. A little bit different color blue, but still quite nice. Yeah, this is quite me. Definitely going to use this, although I might also give some away because I never end up using all of them anyway. So there's the next set. Okay, I'm glad to see that so far there's no winter design, or I mean no Christmas designs. I have to admit, I know that there's going to be Christmas designs in here because, you know, Christmas is quite a popular theme, but I'm not really a big fan of Christmas, so I hope there will be some designs that I end up liking. Let me just put these together. Very nice. The next one is a little bear, again obviously winter themed. We've got little snowflakes around the end. I like that the writing part is a little bit different from usual. It's a little bear with a scarf. I don't know what else to say about it. It's quite cute. Not my usual style, but then again, the fun from having a subscription is that you also get stuff that you wouldn't normally pick, but you might end up really liking, which happens quite often. And then the envelope. Ooh, that looks really nice. Envelope also has that scalloped top. For some reason, I don't know, scalloped things make me happy. And then a very pretty kind of frosty look as well. So that's quite nice. That's the first 3. Let me know which one is your favorite and which one is not, as always. Next up, let's see, what is this? Oh, another wintry one. This has a little sweater design. I'll just keep it upside down for now. Little sweater design, also that kind of frosty look, little stars around the page. Very simple but very nice. I do have to admit that I am all about simple designs. I do not really like busy prints, and this is kind of me, although the sweater again wouldn't normally be something I picked, but I already said it, that is kind of the fun of it as well. So that's quite nice. Let's see, we've got the envelopes. I think they might be on the bottom now. Yeah, envelopes on the bottom. Like, for some reason the sweater makes sense here, but it looks very random on the envelope, but it's still quite cute. So a simple little wintry design. I wonder if all of them are blue. It looks like that. Oh, that is nice. The next one has, I don't know what you would call that little bird, but it's a little bird and a moon and some flowers, but for some reason it makes sense to me. And this one is a little bit more purplish. We're going from blue to slightly more purple, which I quite like. Like a little bit of a purple watercolor design. I wouldn't normally, like, I sound very negative today, but that's also because I'm sick, alright? So my positive vibes are not coming across as much as my negative vibes. So just don't read too much into it, but I wouldn't normally pick, again, these 2 designs, but for some reason it just kind of works. And like I said, if I would hide it, I would also tell you, but I don't know, the purple watercolory background makes me very happy. I really have to start writing more letters because I'm not going to be able to finish all of these. And then the envelope has some lines on it, and first thing that pops to my head, which I'm very happy about, is that it has so many lines, because sometimes you will get address labels with only 3 lines. Like, which country has only 3 address lines? I'm serious. But this one has 5, so that's good. I can send it across the world. I don't know, if I would send in the Netherlands alone, I would only need 3 lines, I mean. But if you send it from outside the Netherlands to here, then obviously you need 4 already, so doesn't make a whole lot of sense. And then the last one, again, an icy blue. It's a little snowy village. And beautiful floral design on the top. Beautiful floral design. Quite like that. Especially, I have to admit, especially the floral design, because I do love me some florals. This set actually does not have a whole lot of florals, just some really subtle ones. But I guess not everyone likes florals as much as I do. So snowy village and then a frosty background again. And oh, I love the envelope. So on the back we have the frosty village, the snowy village again, and then on the front we have a beautiful wreath. Oh, that is nice. It's quite big, so I could write the address in there. I would have to be careful with the stamps to not cover that up, but oh, I love these envelopes. These are my favorite envelopes so far. They are so nice. Okay, so these are the 6 designs. I want to know from you guys which ones you liked, which ones you didn't. One big plus for me is actually that all of them are kind of in the same color area, so I could always mix and match, which is something I really like doing. Although I am not really in the winter mood yet, so I'm probably going to put these on a separate pile. Except for maybe these. No, I'm just gonna put all of them on a separate pile for when it's time for winter crafting. So I guess it might be a few months, although it's already October. Let me know, when is it acceptable to start doing winter crafting? I think I would do like December or something, but one can never start too early. Actually, the reason why I'm also not really in the winter mood yet is because yesterday and the day before was a really beautiful sunny day. I had to work and so many people were sitting outside in the sun on the terrace, so it felt like a late summer day. And then autumn, of course. I'm just gonna go now. I am going to upload this video today because it is a Tuesday, but I'm not really capable of forming normal sentences. So don't be too angry at me, please. I will be back soon with a more fluent video. I might have to dig into my archives to see if I can find something that does not require a voiceover, because if I have to do a voiceover, I swear it's not gonna work. But hopefully I will feel better on Friday anyway. So let me know your favorites, your least favorites. Would you have liked this set? And of course, have you subscribed to ThePaperLetterBlog already? I can honestly really recommend it because I love using the writing paper, but then again, I am a writer, I'm a letter writer, so I will always get excited by a letter writing paper, but what am I talking about? I like this subscription, that's all I'm going to say, and I do not get endorsed or sponsored or paid to say that. That's just my honest opinion. I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys feel a lot better than I do, and I will see you again very soon. Okay, bye bye.